Okay, dude. So in this one, what? So this I'm talking about the second question paper which you have sent me. Okay. So this one they've asked you to prepare a manufacturing. They've asked you to prepare a manufacturing account, and this one is a bit different from the sums which we have done. Like manufacturing account, you have to start from opening stock of raw materials. And is there opening stock of raw materials given over here? Yeah, opening stock of raw materials. And uh, opening stock of raw materials, add purchases of raw materials less closing stock of raw materials. And is there any carriage on raw materials? No, there is no carriage on raw materials. And to that you will add this direct expenses like royalties, and factory fuel and power is also a direct expense. Yes, dude, according to this is according to Indian accounting, that factory fuel and power that is considered as a direct expense. So one minute, let me think about it a bit. Achha, this factory fuel and power, I'm telling you what to do with it at last. So you will add the royalties and then you will get the prime cost. To that you will add the rent and insurance, factory general expenses and all of this. Yes, and then you will get the cost, and then you will like you will add, one minute, you will add the opening work in progress and then you will subtract the closing work in progress. Yes, and there is certain additional information which you need to consider, that factory machinery is to be depreciated by 20% using reducing balance method. Okay, so where is the balance of factory machinery? So so here we have the factory machinery at cost, which is 60,000. Yes, and you will calculate 20% of that. Yes, and 20% of 60,000 is how much? 1200. And that 1200, like prime cost ke baad, we write all the expenses now, minus rent, minus factory, that what do you call, minus rent, minus factory general expenses, prime cost ke baad we subtract all the expenses. Yes, in that you will write depreciation as well under that. Yes, so you will write 1200 only. Okay, sorry, dude. There's another thing. They've asked you to do it under reducing balance method. Under reducing balance method, what do you do? Like from the cost of the machine, you subtract the depreciation. Yes, and then calculate like what is 60,000. Like first from 60,000, you will subtract 21,600, which will come as whatever it is, like 40,000, 39,000, 38,400. You will calculate 20% of 38,400 and not 60,000. Okay, so that you are going to do, and that you are going to write under that prime cost and all. And then they have said that rent and insurance is to be split equally between factory and office. Rent and insurance is to be split equally between factory and office means what? uh, like rent and insurance, here it is 28,000, बोला है कि इसको बांट लो, इक्वली बांट लो, 14,000 जाएगा फैक्ट्री के लिए एंड 14,000 जाएगा ऑफिस के लिए. वी आर नॉट कंसर्न विद द ऑफिस थिंग, वी आर जस्ट कंसर्न विद द फैक्ट्री के लिए कितना जाएगा. सो अंडर प्राइम कॉस्ट व्हेन यू राइट द एक्सपेंसेस, रेंट एंड इंश्योरेंस में पूरा 28,000 मत लिख देना, सिर्फ ये आधा 14,000 ही लिखना. And that's it, and there's nothing more to say in this sum. Okay, dude. So from the second paper which you have sent me, there was just this one sum of manufacturing account which is there in the syllabus. Apart from that, okay, wait, did I see a income statement over here? Yeah, one minute. Oh, income statement, preparing income statement, that final accounts is the not coming in your syllabus. Yeah, okay. In case you find something more like which is there in the syllabus, like from the second paper, in case you find something which is there in the syllabus and want me to discuss, then text me. I'll discuss it. Like I'll send a video.